everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I'm back with another tutorial. And I just want to say it is absolutely red hot tonight, and sorry if there's background noise. I've got my fan on, I've got the window open, and it's raining and thundering and lightning. And I am absolutely sweating. Honestly, it is like a sauna in here. I can't stand it, but it's awful because you want to craft, but as soon as you sit down you just start sweating. So enough of that. What we're going to do is another laminate project. So I've got this cute little folder which is roughly 4.5 by 4 inches and 1/2 inch deep. Okay, so you just open it up, and inside it's got a cute little pocket that I've just put some tags in, and it holds some sticky notes, which I think it's really cute, and it's durable because obviously it's laminated. So we are going to make one of them today. So I've got a piece of paper, which is, this is Twinkle Twinkle Stampin' Up paper. It's really nice. It's absolutely gorgeous actually. There's some beautiful designs in this, so that's what I'm using. The paper measures 4 by 8 inches. No, it doesn't. It measures 4 by 8.5. So we're going to score the long side at 4 inches and then 4.5 inches. Okay, and then we'll just fold and burnish, and that gives us our sweet little folder. Okay, sorry about that, the dog came in. So there's the folder. Now I've got a piece of laminate sheet which it was an A4 and I've just cut it in half, and I'm going to pop this in. Okay, so you can have your pocket any side you want. So I'm going to have my pocket on this left hand side. So what I've done is I've cut another little piece of laminate, if I can find it. I did have it down here, probably lost it on me. There it is. So I've just cut a piece from one sheet. So I've just took the sheet as you would pull it out the packet, and I've just cut it. So obviously we've got two sides, just like a normal one, and it measures 2 inches by just under 4 inches. So to be precise, 3 15/16. And it's the same technique. We're going to open it up and we're going to just turn it round, so we've got both of the shiny sides together, and we've got the dull sides pointing outwards, and that's because it won't seal, and once we slit it open it will create a pocket. So I am then going to just pop it where I want my pocket to be, which is just there. Okay, so keep that very still, and then I am just going to run it through the laminator. That's the thunder. I don't know if you can pick it up actually. So I'm just going to straighten that up a little bit. Alright, so I am just going to quickly run this through the laminator, and I will be back in a tick. Okay, there we go everybody, I'm back and I have ran it through twice actually, just to make double sure that it's nice and laminated. So on the inside you can see there, you can clearly see this is where our inside pocket is. So we need to slit just on the little line, we need to put a slit to open up this pocket. Now we don't want to press hard because we don't want to cut through, we only want to literally just cut this top layer of the laminate sheet. So I'm just going to put this on a little mat that I've got, and I've got a ruler and a craft knife and just a light pressure to slit open this pocket. So just from where the paper starts, just lightly along to where the score line starts there, and then hopefully it should open our pocket. If not, obviously we haven't put enough pressure on. No, so I'm going to just run over again. Oh, there's the thunder again. Now why isn't this opening? Is that it there? There we go. So I think that's obviously what I haven't done, is I'm not pressing on enough, which normally I don't have any problem with these, but obviously because I'm recording. There we go, so we've opened our pocket. Now what you can do as well, as I've noticed, is if you run it through again, because I've cut the paper a bit there, but if you run it through again after you've slit it, it kind of just seals that back down onto there, but I'm not going to bother just for the video. So we are going to fold this on our score lines. Alright, and we've got our little pocket there. Now we just want to trim these down because they're a little bit too big. So we'll take our trimmer and we'll leave a little bit on. You don't want to cut too close to the paper. Alright, so that looks better. Now for the first one I made, I just put some of this kind of thread stuff in, but this time I'm going to put some elastic. So I've got some pink elastic, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to punch a hole with the 1/8 of an inch punch, just roughly in the middle. Well, I can't punch it in the middle. No, it's just going to have to go kind of near the top. Punch it that way, I can see it better there. So just punch a hole. This is just going to be to hold our elastic to keep it closed. So I'm going to cut some elastic off. And I am going to thread it both ends through here. Obviously I've cut way too much, and that what's going to happen is that is just going to go over there. Okay, okay, to hold our little note thing together. So I'm going to tie this in a knot. And then that will keep that closed, okay? So I can snip this off. Now I've got some post-it notes. You can pick these up loads of places. They are going to get stuck on there. So I'm just going to use this ATG runner that I've got just for quickness, because we don't do fuse anymore. So I'm gonna, you could glue it on or use double-sided tape. So there we go, there's our little notes, and I made some 2 sweet little kind of tag things, which I have a die set which is not Stampin' Up, but I got this somewhere else, and I just cut some of them out with the DSP and some pink cards, so they're going to go in there. I've used Love again, which is from Sunshine Wishes, so I am going to stick the love on the inside pocket, and obviously you can decorate this any way you like, make great little gifts. I think they would also be good to sell at craft fairs as well. And I've still left one of the pieces in there, so oh, damn. So I'm going to stick that onto the little pocket. There we go. I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. And then we can close it up with our elastic. So sweet. Now, if you have, I've got these little mini gel pens, what you could do is you could just hook a pen in the middle like that, if you want it to have a pen. So I've got, to decorate it, I'm using accented blooms, and I'm going to use the Hello, and I'm going to stamp it in Night of Navy, because we've got Night of Navy in the paper. So I'm just going to ink this up. For some reason it's not inking the end up. There we go. So we've got Hello. So I'm going to stamp that out. And we've got the tailored tag punch, which cuts out the shape. And then I'm just going to pop it on with a couple of dimensionals. And I'm just going to pop that underneath the elastic, and there we go. I think these make fab little gifts, I really do. And as I said, they're really durable because they're laminated. So there's the one that we've just done, and that's the one that I made in the beginning. So there we are, all the info will be on my blog. I hope you've enjoyed it. I will be back again soon with another tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.